In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error 500 issue in Notion step by step, using simple and safe methods that work in 2026. If you've ever opened Notion and suddenly seen an error 500 message, you're not alone. This usually means there's a temporary server issue, a session problem, or something small that can be fixed in just a few minutes. Stick with me till the end because I'll walk you through all the checks you should do to get Notion working again. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The very first thing you should always try when you see error 500 in Notion is simply refreshing the page. This might sound too basic, but in many cases, the error happens because the page didn't load correctly or lost connection for a moment. Just refresh your browser tab or reload the Notion app and wait a few seconds to see if the workspace loads normally. If the error is still there after refreshing, move on to the next step. Now, click on the three dots menu inside Notion. You'll usually find this in the top corner of the app or workspace menu. This menu gives you access to account and session options. Clicking here helps us properly reset your current Notion session instead of just forcing the app to reload. Once the menu opens, look for the Log Out option and click on it. Logging out is important because error 500 can sometimes be caused by a broken login session or expired authentication token. By logging out, you're clearing that session completely. After logging out, close the Notion tab or app entirely. Don't skip this part. Now, open Notion again and log back in using your email and login method. This creates a fresh session and in many cases instantly fixes the error 500 problem. After logging back in, give Notion a few seconds to fully sync your workspace and data. If everything loads correctly, then the issue is solved. If you're still seeing error 500 even after logging out and back in, the next step is to check Notion's server status. Open your browser and go to notion-status.com. This is the official Notion status page where they report outages, maintenance, and server issues. If you see an ongoing incident or partial outage, then the error is on Notion's side, not yours. In that case, the best thing to do is wait until their team resolves the issue. Trying to fix it locally won't help if the servers are down. If the status page shows everything is operational, then you can also try switching browsers, clearing your browser cache, or opening Notion in an incognito window as extra troubleshooting steps. Most of the time though, refreshing, logging out, and logging back in will fix error 500 in Notion. And that's it. You now know how to fix error 500 in Notion quickly and safely. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tips, software guides, and easy fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.